Hi everyone, it's Ellen from Glowforge. I've been seeing Glowforge owners create some fantastic designs that have made me smile, so I thought I'd try one too. I printed this on a reusable canvas tote that I can wear while being socially distant. Keep watching to see how I designed and printed this. I'm going to be creating my design in Keynote, which isn't design software at all. In fact, it's like Microsoft PowerPoint, but for Apple users. It's super easy and fast to create quick designs like this one. This took me just 2.5 minutes to make. Next, I'm going to put in my canvas bag and upload my design into the Glowforge app. When you put in your material, the camera on the inside of your Glowforge will take a photo so you can put your design in the perfect place. While this is printing, let's talk about materials. You can print on hundreds of materials on your Glowforge printer, such as wood, acrylic, leather, glass, metal, stone, cork, cardboard, paper, fabric, and so many more. The possibilities are endless. Let's do the back. With a quick flip, I've got my design uploaded, resized, and dragged into the right place. I saved some custom settings for Canvas here in the left corner, so I'm going to select those and get this print started. I hope this design gave you a good laugh. Click the link in the description to see more incredible prints Glowforge owners have made out of fabric.